In lesson 4, there's no really new material. We're just going to do more practice with splitting the term. I have 3 problems here. Why don't you copy them down, pause the video, copy them down, and work them out. Work the problems out. I will now show you how to answer them. Label your variables, multiply your a and c, find factors that will add up to -1 for your product sum method. Go ahead and split the term and regroup them into 2 binomials. Factor out the GCF and regroup them again. Label your variables, multiply your a and c, find factors that will work for your product sum method. It gets really tricky once you start working with negatives. You have to really find the right combination. It might take a while. We are looking for something that adds up to a 7. And I seem to be missing a factor here because not all of them work. And here I go, I found it. If 15 is positive and 8 is negative, I'm going to be able to get a 7 when I add them up. And that'll also give me a -120. Perfect. Go ahead and split the term and group them into 2 binomials. And then factor out the GCF for each binomial. Regroup them, and you have your answer. This last one's especially tricky because you have 2 negatives at each end. -4 is an A and a -1 is your C. Go ahead and follow the same steps. Multiply A and C, you're going to get a positive number. And find factors that will work for your product sum method. My middle number's a 4, so they both have to be positive. 2 and 2 works nicely. Let's go ahead and keep doing it. We're going to split the middle term and rewrite it into 2 binomials, 2x and 2x. Factor out your GCF. I'm going to factor a negative out, which means that it's going to change the signs. Remember, when we factor out, we're going to divide by that negative x. There you have your final answer. Let me know if you have any questions.